In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to sign up and use Claude AI for free. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website Claude.ai. Once you're on this page, here you're going to find the sign up section. You can use Google account or you can manually enter your email address for the sign up process. For now, I'm going to use the option continue with Google. You can do the same. Just click on it. Click on your Gmail address. Then click on the option continue. You'll be directed to this page. Let's create your account. Check in for these options. Agree with the terms and conditions of Claude. Likewise, enable notifications. Then click on create account. You'll be prompted to verify your phone number. So first up, select your country, type in the phone number and then click on send verification code. After you receive the verification code, type in that and you'll be directed to this page. Now you'll need to select the Claude subscription plan, or also you can skip the process. Likewise, you can also download the Claude AI app on your device. Likewise, click on continue. Now go ahead and type in your name over here. Now select the topics you are interested in and click on let's go. Now here, you can select the topic of your choice or you can skip this process. Once you complete all these steps, you'll be directed to this page. Your account has been created. Now over here you can provide a prompt. Type a prompt, for example, create a simple website using HTML. Be specific to get accurate results. Press enter or click the send icon to generate the output. Claude will start processing your prompt instantly. Now over here you can see the final output, including code, previews or complete projects. And that's it. This way you can easily sign up for Claude AI and use it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.